Hello friends, welcome back to this GenAI learning video series. I am Manish Pandey. In the previous video, we explored Streamlit in Python and we also explored how to build a GenAI project for the Instagram caption generator. You learned how to use Streamlit, how to create a user interface in Python. Now we are like taking one step ahead. So every day you will learn new things in that one, and that's going to become advanced nowadays. So previously we were taking the input directly from the terminal. Now we are taking the input from the user interface, from the UI, and we are also getting the output there itself. Use case is GenAI Translation Tool. You know that this is just a language translator. We'll enter our text, we'll select the language, click on translate button, and then the text will be translated into the target and we can say as a expected language. Got it? Let's see here. So we are going to build this one. I'm going to say my name is Manish Pandey. Okay. Now I want to translate this text into another language. So I'll select Hindi. Click translate. Now it will translate into Hindi. Now I'll copy this and paste here, and I'm saying that translate this into English language. So how it is working here? So basically in backend we have a LLM called here. We are using AI model which is doing all these things for us. Basically this is GenAI. So I'll show you how to design this GenAI translation tool, and we'll also make it work. I'm going to create a new file. Click on this and here we'll say translator GenAI translator project. And here we'll start writing our code. So the first I'm going to use import Streamlit. Save it. Now I'll click on this toggle panel and I'll run this Streamlit. I'll say Streamlit. I'll put that name and enter. Okay, so we are executing this. So I'll show you one by the side by side both things, the design and coding as well. Now after importing the Streamlit, I'll say as st. Got it? Whenever we'll make changes, we'll see the file change here. Now after that, I need to add a title here. So title will be st dot title. So this st, basically this shortcut has all this you can say power to use the features and functions from the Streamlit. So I'll say st dot title, open close bracket, in the double quotes I'll say GenAI translator tool. After that I'll take here one globe icon. So from my system I'll say I'll press Windows plus dot, and then I'll select this one, this globe. Got it? Let's run this. It looks like this. After that, here I'll add just a text. So I'll say st dot write, or I can go with the markdown as well. I'll go with write only. Say in double quotes, enter text to translate into your desired language. Save it and run it. Got it? It looks like this. Now just below, I want a text box. Not actually text box. This time I'm going to take a text area, so that we are not just asking user to put in a one line. I'm going to ask any text, like that can be multiple line as well. So I'll say st dot text area, open close bracket, in the double quotes I'll say a label that enter text, enter your text like that. Save it. Okay, enter your text and it looks like this, so that like user can enter multiple line of text. And just below I'll take one st dot button, open close brackets, in the double quotes I'll say translate, translate. And I will take one rocket. Let's see, do we have rocket? Yeah, I'll take this rocket. I like this way. Save it, rerun this. Okay, this is the translate button. So user will enter here the text and click on translate. Oh, we are missing one more thing. We need a desired language. So this time I'll take st dot. This is going to be a select box. Select box, basically this is a drop down where we'll have a list of languages. In open close brackets, in the double quotes, we are going to pass a label. Label like this way. Enter your text like that. So I'll say um, select language. Let's see. Okay, sorry, we are missing a few more parameters here. So after that, comma, because we are going to use select box, so we need to enter the list of the value so that it will show in the drop down. Okay, so I'll make a list here like this way. In double quotes, first I'll say Hindi, comma, double quotes, I'll say English. Now I'll say French, comma, now I'll say Spanish. And this way we can add multiple languages here. Okay, save, rerun. And you see we have multiple languages added here in the here. So this is our design. Now we have to write the code so that it can work as we are expecting it to do. So for that, just after importing the Streamlit, I'm going to take OpenAI. So from OpenAI, import OpenAI. Okay. Now everything will happen just after clicking translate button. But I need to take this in a one variable, this output, okay, and this language, two things. So here I have a text area, so I'll store this in a variable that is a text equal to, and then from here we'll have a language. So I'll say language. I'll say if st dot button translate means if that is clicked. So if it is true, then I want to send a request with my prompt to the model. So I'll write here. So let's take this in a variable so that we can get the response. So I'll say, oh, sorry, we are also missing one thing. So just after importing this OpenAI, we are going to create a connection. So I'll say client equal to OpenAI. And as you know, that we have already stored our API key in our environment variable. Got it? So now I'll say client dot responses dot create. Okay. Now in the open close brackets, I'll pass here the model and the prompt. So my model will be in double quotes, it's GPT-4o mini. Got it? Now comma, after that it will be a input equal to, now we are going to pass our prompt. So in double quotes, I will say translate the text in given language, or translate the text to language, and return only translated text. Got it? We'll take here one F so that I can format this. I can pass my text into this prompt. So I'll say in open close curly braces. So this text will be, it will take it from here. This text area means from here. Let me take this little here. After that, the language, I'll take it from here, this language. So I'll say, I'll also put this in this way. So it will translate this text to a language, whatever language selected here. Okay. And return only translated text here. Okay. Now we have the output in our response. After that, I'll take here, I want to take one subheader. So I'll say st dot subheader, open close brackets, and then I'll pass that response. Sorry, I'll pass that. Sorry, I'm not going to pass directly the response. I'll say translated text. I'll take a logo here, this one, save it. And just after this, I'll say st dot write, open close bracket, and then responses will have, this response will have a output. So response dot output underscore text. Got it? Now if you want to design this as well, you can also do this using the HTML tags. After that, so currently this will work fine, but we can add few more things. Let me save this here, and now I'll rerun this. I'll take this. Okay, now I'm saying like I am learning GenAI, and I'm going to translate to this English Hindi language. So click on translate. Now one thing you see, currently we don't have the spinning things like this, which says that it's still in progress like that. We got that output. मैं GenAI सीख रहा हूँ. Now I'll just convert this, paste here, and change to English, translate, and it says that I'm learning GenAI, right? And now one thing, one problem we have, if I'll click on translate, see it says that we don't have any text in the text area. Says that please provide the text you would like me to translate. So now I want to add a validation here so that uh, you know we should not pass empty text to the server, right? So I want to avoid that. So before that, I'll take here, just after clicking the ST button, I'll take one more if statement and say if text. So this text will have a whatever input will get dot. I'm going to remove the empty spaces, white spaces, right? So currently, like we entered here one space like that, then also is giving. So I'll say text dot strip. Strip means it will remove the empty white spaces like leading or starting everything. The white space will be removed. So I'll say if text dot strip double equals to blank. If it is blank colon, then I can show a warning message. So I'm going to take a warning message here in the true part. If it is blank, like double equals to blank, so I say st dot warning, open close brackets. I say please enter some text to translate. Got it? And in the else, I'll say else. Okay. In the else, it will send the response to the model and will get the output. Let's save that and let's rerun this. Okay. Now, without entering anything, I'm going to click translate button. And you see, please enter some text to translate. So this part is not executed. This else part not executed. It directly went to the this true part. Okay. So this way it will not send a blank request to OpenAI server. Even if I'm adding some space or tab uh, and click or translate, that will work fine, right? Now I want to add one more thing. So if it is in progress, I want to show a in progress icon, that moving with the spinner one. So in the else part, I want to say with st, with means with the spinner it should work. So st dot spinner, open close bracket, I'm going to say is translating or translation. Yeah, translating or translation is in progress, like that. Translating dot 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 dot, like that. Okay, save it. Now rerun this. Seems like one column is missing here. Let's put that here inside this. Got it. Save it. Rerun this. Now, first thing, without entering any text here, let me put it this way. I'll enter that. You see, please enter some text to translate. Got it. Now I'm putting something here. I'm writing this Hindi language. मैं GenAI सीख रहा हूँ. I'll select the language, Hindi, English. Click or translate, and now you will see this is running. Right. The spinning one. That is the spinner. And now I see the translated text, and here the translation one. Now after that, I'll translate this to the Spanish language. Click on translate, and here you'll see, and this is translated. So this is the GenAI under the use case of translator tool. I hope you learned something from here. If you think that this is useful, so please like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to this, and please share this with your friends as well so that they can also learn GenAI. And please do comment on this video. Thank you.